Hello brosies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to install a new sink mixer in a bathroom. So I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. Okay, I bought this sink mixer for $60. Let's open it and find out what. Looks nice. Lock is good. Get the connections here. The cold in water, hot water. Also got the manual here. Also you got the L angle and the connections, screws on it. Okay, so first what we have to do is to open this one. First we need to put this on. As you can see, there's on the other side it's got the screw that you can use it to tight this one like this, and you got the other one nothing. So what you need is to put the nothing, the one that's flat here, the one with this cut in the middle, which is used for a screwdriver. So that's what you're going to put here. Remember to put this one first before you install it, and you tight it tight as you can. Yeah. Okay, that's done. That's one go. Now we're going to put this one. This is normally when you look at this one here, normally when you look at, you get the cold and hot. So the blue represent the cold. So this is the cold. So you put the one here, put that one. So you just use your finger, your hand to tight it, and then later on you can tie that one with a. Now we need the other one, which is the hot. So let's do that. And that. Now with your hand you can really tight it properly. Yeah, you need to tight anyway. So that's what it is. We're done. So now we need to put the this one inside, and this one here. We need to put this one here first. You need to remove that. You have to remove this one before you put anything. You gotta do this, okay? So this is flat. This is flat. That will go that way. And this one, okay? And you put in, you go like that, okay? So you have to remove this one first to put it on. Okay, show you how. Okay, first thing first, you need to turn it off. Turn off this one. Turn it off this one. This is the cold. This is the hot. As you can see, this is the red dot, red lining. This one is blue lining. This is red lining. It means that this is the hot water, this is the cold water. So before you change the faucet or the tap, make sure you turn off this one. But do not touch this one here that's connected below down on the pipe. You only remove this through here. Okay, once you turn off that one, then you start removing that, undo that, and undo the other one, and then you start from the top. Sorry, from the top here, not from the top there, but here. Okay, the one underneath. Okay, down here and on top here underneath the faucet. That's how you replace it. Okay, so let's give it a go. So you got the rubber here, and must be dry. Now we're gonna put this one underneath. Not too tight because you need to fix up there. Okay, once you're tight underneath, not too tight. So now this one, you need to make sure this one is in the middle. See, this one is too much on the side, so you're gonna turn that one there until you get the middle. That's the middle. Don't worry about this one. Important thing is this one here. Okay, so you bring it down, so you do that way. The angle is there, it has to be even. Okay, a bit there. Okay, if you look at the middle, yes, yeah, a little bit on the left side, yeah. So now that's the middle. Okay, what we do now is to tight underneath. Now you need these tools to tight. Okay, make sure it's in the middle. the hole. Make sure that there's no hole underneath. Has to be covered, everything, so you can actually move it. So what I do is lose a little bit so we can move forward. We need to know if there's no hole here. Has to be covered, the whole thing, to try it. Okay, now when you're ready for that, now you can start tightening up. Really tight properly. After you tie that one, now we need to put a sealant here, because this is an old one, so we need to remove the old tape, and we're going to put a new one. Let me just give you a different angle. Okay, just to let you know, this connection here is connected from the pipe on this side down there, and this one is connected in here, and this is the one that's connected for the water. Okay, and now we're going to put a new tape, and when you put the tape on, the tight clockwise means you have to tape it clockwise as well. Okay, process. Let's turn it on. That's already on. Looks right. There's no leak. Nothing is leaking up there as well. So let's have a look here. So let's open left side. This is a cold. Ooh. There you go. This is hot. Wow. Unbelievable. Okay. All good. So that's how you install it. Okay. Thanks for watching. You don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?